Hello friends, how will it be if you could learn 195 countries and its capitals in few hours time? Amazing, isn't it? Yes, I have a method which will help you to do exactly the same. And here we go. The first country is Afghanistan and the capital of Afghanistan is Kabul. Now, let us learn about this method. This method is based on visualization, which I have explained even in my previous videos. So, if you want to memorize something, you need to convert that into pictures. If you say Afghanistan, your mind will not get a picture. Instead, if you're able to associate these words with something which can be picturized, the job is done. So Afghanistan, Kabul, you may not get anything by which you can visualize, but if you think, there is something famous in Afghanistan. Afghanis love Kabuli chana. Right, you heard about this? Afghanis love Kabuli chana. Kabuli chana, right? So imagine an Afghani sitting and eating Kabuli chana. So Afghanistan, Kabul. Easy? Okay. The next country is Bulgaria and the capital is Sofia. Right? Bulgaria, Sofia. No, you don't get a picture out of it, but try to find a picture. Try to, find something like maybe a rhyming word or something similar to it, something that can be connected to these words. Then the job is done. So in case of Bulgaria, bull is something which you know, right? Bull gir gaya. Kahan pe? Sofia. Sofia is not familiar to you, but sofa is familiar to you, right? Kahan pe gir gaya? Sofa ke upar. So Bulgaria, Sofia, bull gir gaya, sofa ke upar. So the moment somebody says Bulgaria, this picture should come to your mind that, okay, a bull has fallen down to a sofa, right? To give you another example, the country name is Dominica and the capital is Rosso, right? Dominica and Rosso. But can you imagine something? You may not. But try to find a similar word, something which is, rhyming with this. Dominica, Domino's, right? Domino's. So think that you're going to buy pizza in the Domino's Pizza, right? Domino's nearby, and you got the pizza along with a rose because the capital of Dominica is Rosso, right? So Dominica, Rosso, you're going to buy the pizza from the Domino's and you got it with a rose, right? To give you another example, the country is Fiji and the capital is Suva. Fiji, Suva, nothing. But something is similar to Fiji is Fauji. Fauji means soldier. And soldiers normally travel by bigger vehicles. You would have noticed, right? So imagine a Fauji driving an SUV, bigger vehicle, right? Suva, SUVA, SUVA. It becomes easier. Fauji traveling by driving an SUV, right? So the job is done. So the next example is, let's say Finland, and the capital of Finland is Helsinki. Finland, Helsinki. No idea. But think little deeply. You realize Finland. Okay. Generally, how do you think aircrafts land? They land on the wheels. Correct, na? Aircrafts land on the wheels. But imagine you land on the fin. What will happen? If you start landing on the fin, what will happen? You sink into hell. Gone. Helsinki. So Finland, Helsinki. Easy? Okay. To give you another example, there is a country called Iran and the capital of Iran is Tehran. Right? Now Iran can be modified or thought as Iran and Tehran. Tu ran means you ran. I ran, you ran. I ran, tu ran. Right? Easy to memorize. To give you another example, say the country name is Italy and the capital is Rome. Italy and Rome, it's difficult to memorize, but try to find some similar words. Italy, what is familiar is idli, right? People, especially in South, they eat idlis in the breakfast, correct? Idli. And idli is prepared in the room, right? Idlis are prepared in the room. So idli, room. Italy, Rome. Easy to memorize. Give you another example. Norway. The capital is Oslo. Norway, Oslo. Norway, Oslo. Norway, go slow. Norway, go slow. Simple. Easy to memorize. Give you another example. See, the country name is Oman and the capital is Muscat. Oman, Muscat. Try to think something similar to that, which is very funny, easy for you to remember. Oh man, imagine you are sitting in front of your friend and one mosquito came and sat on his face. What you will say? Oh man, mosquito. Oh man, mosquito. Oh man, Muscat. Easy to memorize? Okay, to give you another example, the country name is Philippines and the capital is Manila. Right, Philippines, Manila. Philippines, you don't know, but there is a company called Philips. They manufacture, electronic gadgets. Say your uncle is telling you, you go and buy Philips TV. What you will ask? Manila. Manila. Right? Philippines, Manila. Easy to memorize? Friends, this is how you need to memorize countries and the capitals. Try to find something very funny and try to picturize it. Try to convert it into a picture so that you are able to connect with the actual answer. And what your mind requires is just a trigger. If you get something like this, your mind will be able to easily recall the answer from the right memory. Right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. Thank you.